I'm trying to analyze the move of the Nifty this morning. We've had a beautiful run on Nifty in the last day, and today what we see in the morning is that the SGX Nifty is suggesting that we are going to open right near where the last day's actions had started. It was a gap up, and it started there, and this is quite a crazy move. So what are we seeing? In my mind, this is the start of a major down move, because once the market goes up so heavily and it starts to come down in the fashion that it is coming today, it's signaling a major shift in the market, and this is a major sentiment changer. So in my assessment, what we're going to do in this phase is that we are going to see 17,050 in the near term. And if you look at the chart, this is a 30-minute chart with the levels that I see today. So this is a short-term chart where I think the first support will be at 17,282. We might get to this level today, not sure, because this is the only area that will be blocking the pattern to move down. And if this area gives you support today, we should be happy, because I don't see a major support in any of these areas, and I expect the market to go to 17,282 in the short run, and then on to 17,050. Once we are down to 17,050, let's go on the daily chart, and what we see here, let me just give you a major move. What we've seen is an unrelenting move on the Nifty from these regions of 16,752. This is where the breakout happened, and that took us to a major move of close to, we had a major of say from 16,765, and we went up to 18,000. So that's a 1250 point move, and we are now going to retrace back into an area where there was no major support was made while going up. And we've had a crazy volatile last week, and the day before's action was something that was way out of the expectation, and was wondering what's happening on that day, because there were no reasons to have such a big candle when the US was nervous and nothing was changing in the Indian context. And the mystery is unfolding. Today we are seeing a huge gap down, and which is eroding the entire length of rise that was made by the last day's movement. This is a very volatile move, and this is a range expansion according to me. When the volatility goes so high, this means that the range is expanding, and when the range expands, the move is going to take us in either direction, in an expansion mode. So the expansion is not going to happen on the upper side according to me. The expansion is going to happen on the lower side, mainly because the US is playing very weak. Today's action in US was very weak. I have already released 2 videos where I have expressed fears that the US market should go to 375 on the SPY, which is another 10%, not 10%, maybe about 8-9%, but an 8-9% drop in a major index like the SPY would mean a lot of depreciation, a lot of major stocks. So if you are playing long, be cautious. This is just my reading, but I expect the Nifty to come down to 16,700 in the month of September for sure. So if you're holding your shorts, and if you want to hold your shorts for a longer time, you can. According to me, that would be a good move. This is just an analysis. You will have to wait and see how the price action develops, but this is what I see, and I'm just releasing this information that if you see it happening that way, you get a cue that yes, it was something that was looking on the charts, and it can happen. So the possibilities of coming to 16,752 are very much there. Be careful and trade carefully. Have a good day.